To set app icon page style to number on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap advanced setting. Tap app icon pages. Under page style section, select number. Now go to the home screen or app screen. You can see that your phone will display a small number on apps that have notification, so you can easily know how many notifications you have on that app. Given the function, this feature can be used as an alternative way to help you easily know if you have unread notification. However, the page notification will not be displayed on those apps that you have turned off its page notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.